Welcome to another video. Today I'll be kind of showing you guys, picked up some fireworks that were damaged, so they gave discounts on them. So these were in their damage section, and everything was a total of $180. So let me know if I did good. I think I got a pretty good value for the $180, but let's dive into it. So first we'll start over here. And in this box of goodies, we got Fox Fireworks, Summer Garden. And I believe these were 2 for $5, but the guy threw some other stuff in too. So, Summer Garden, 7 shots. There's the performance. Nice small cake. And we got a bunch of sparklers here. Then we got Mammoth Smoke by Pyro Value. I've actually never seen that brand before. Next we got 25-shot Saturn missile batteries by Shogun Fireworks. 4 of them in there. And then next we picked up some small assorted fountains here. Looks like there's 4 in here. It's gonna be Shogun assorted 9 fountain. We also got another one down there. And then last for the small items is these 100-shot pearls. Color pearls by Legend Fireworks. We got 4 of them. Next, we'll move into this assortment that we have here. It is the Godfather insert assortment. So, first up, we got, looks like a small fountain in there. Some more small fountains, that might be a hybrid. Then we're moving down to the artillery shells by Brothers Fireworks. So a high-end artillery kit here. Looks like there's 12 ball shells. And then it's nice, they also threw in some powder keg artillery shells too. And then looks like we have 2, maybe 350 gram cakes here. Here's the first one. There's the second one. Then at the bottom we got this small, well actually a pretty big size fountain. Next up we got 3 500 gram cakes. First one is Howling Nishiki. Now if you're gonna ask me, am I gonna pass up on some discounted Raccoon Fireworks? I am not gonna pass up on this brand. So this has great effects, great howling cake. Let's see if we can't find the performance. There we go. Beautiful cake. And if you ask me, why is it damaged? I don't know. But they were giving it discounted. So $30 for this cake. Next up we got Western Sky by Brothers Pyrotechnics. Here we go. Nice fan cake. And again, this one was only $30 too, since it was considered damaged. Looks like down here on the side there might be some damage. Down here. But you know what? For 30 bucks, I'll take it. As long as the firework's still functional, I will take it. Next up, we got this 12-shot cake by Pyro King. This one was $20. So the 3 500 gram cakes I got for $80 together. And now you might argue that you could just buy a case of 500-gram cakes for, you know, roughly the same price. However, you know, you're getting different options here. This insert was roughly $60, and then the rest of the money was spent on these smaller things here. So not bad for $180. Again, all this was considered damaged by the store, which left them to discount it, but as long as the fireworks functional, it's good with me. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll be demoing a lot of the bigger stuff here, and we'll also take a look at what's inside the Godfather insert. Stay tuned.